Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a beneficiary on your Vanguard account. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile and Account Settings. On this page, click on the Beneficiaries option. Then here, you will see a button that says Add Beneficiaries. Click on Add Beneficiaries. Now, select your beneficiary, either an individual, a charity/organization, or a trust that you already created. In this video, I select individual by name. Then after selecting, click on Continue. On this page, enter all the required information about your beneficiary. Then click on Continue. Now it will ask you if you'd like to add a backup beneficiary. Click on Yes if you want to, or No if not. Then click on Continue. Review the following details. Also read the important notice and agreement below. After reviewing and reading, click on Sign and Continue. That's how you add a beneficiary on your Vanguard account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.